Good morning, viewers. It's Friday morning, January 24th, 2025, and I'm your host, Sunil Thakker, of Sunny Talks Money. Welcome to ST Money's Business News, where we provide you the latest and updated 5 minute summarized market wrap. But before we roll on, please do subscribe, share, and like this video. Thank you. Now, let's roll. The S&P 500 closed at its first record of 2025, lifted by advances in a broad range of stocks. The flagship US stock index gained 32 points or more than half percent to 6,118, pushing it above its previous high from December. The S&P 500 registered its first closing record since December 6, 2024, after narrowly missing the milestone on Wednesday. In fact, all three of Wall Street's major indexes scored their fourth straight day of gains. The Dow Jones Industrial Average rose 408 points, or 0.92%, to 44,565, while the tech-heavy Nasdaq Composite gained 44 points, or 0.22%, to 20,053. The Russell 2000 added half a percent. A strong start to earnings season and President Trump's support for tax cuts and deregulation have buoyed stocks to start the year. All in all, the market is optimistic. The more they hear about Trump policies, the stock prices are a reflection of that optimism. At the World Economic Forum in Davos, Switzerland, Trump demanded that OPEC lower oil prices and that central banks reduce interest rates, while he warned global business leaders they will face tariffs for products made outside of the US. Speaking at the World Economic Forum in Davos, Switzerland, Trump told business leaders to make their products in the US or face tariffs. He also called on the Saudi Arabia led Organization of the Petroleum Exporting Countries to lower the price of oil. Global benchmark Brent crude lost 0.9% for the day, declining for a sixth consecutive session. All 11 S&P 500 sectors ended with gains after mixed trading earlier. The S&P 500 tech sector edged up 0.1%. Every other segment advanced more. The healthcare group rallied 1.3%, while industrials rose 1% and financials gained 0.6%. Constellation Energy added 4.1% and AES Corp rose 3.6%, while Vistra Corporation rose 2.7%. In earnings, GE Aerospace finished up 6.6% after it forecast 2025 profit above estimates, and shares in health insurance Elevance rose 2.7% after beating estimates for fourth quarter profit. However, Electronic Arts shares sank 16.7% after the video game publisher cut its forecast for annual bookings. American Airlines shares dropped 8.7% after it forecast 2025 profit below expectations. American shares dropped 8.7% after the company predicted a larger than anticipated quarterly loss. GE Aerospace shares rose 6.6% after the jet engine maker beat Wall Street's estimates for quarterly profit and sales. On the economic data front, a Labor Department report showed weekly jobless claims stood at 223,000 compared with expectations of 220,000. In bonds, the yield on the 10-year treasuries advanced 3 basis points to 4.65%. In currencies, the Bloomberg Dollar Spot Index fell 0.2%. In cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin fell 1.1% to $102,897. In commodities, West Texas Intermediate crude fell 1.6% to $74.25 a barrel, and spot gold fell 0.1% to $2,753 an ounce. The one key event left for this week, the U.S. University of Michigan Consumer Sentiment, existing home sales, S&P Global Manufacturing and Services PMI for today. That's it for today, folks. I'll see you again on Monday morning. Have a great weekend. Happy investing, stay inspired, and remember, it is all about money.